So this video, I'm going to discuss how I went about repairing my Big Bonus 777 machine. To get started, I'm just going to show you the sheet that actually has the parts that I used to repair the machine. Now there was a couple of other things that I did that I'll show you. The main parts that I used were just these two components and the fuses. The board was blowing fuses. Here you can see some damaged wire. You have to look close to see the damage, but there is in fact damage there. And once I pulled the harness out, you can see the damage up above, and you can see my repair down below. Also, there were other wires that were damaged. Here is a service cable. I think it's a service cable. I for sure know that it's damaged. I was able to pull it out, make the repairs for it, and then reinstall it. So I investigated all of the cables and making sure that I checked them from one end to the other. Here you're going to see a ribbon cable on the right, and that ribbon cable looks fine. And actually below that shelf it looks fine. And then up above it looks fine. Actually it looks fine all the way until it goes behind the motherboard. You'll notice when I pull it down here, all of a sudden I have some damaged wires. And a little bit closer inspection, after I removed the motherboard, I was able to find more damage in that cable. In fact, there was a hole chewed all the way through it. And some of the wires were actually chewed in two on both sides. So in the end, there was about 40 wires in this machine that were damaged or cut, chewed. And so there was quite a bit of wire repair that I had to do, and it became quite a chore or quite a challenge whenever we started dealing with this ribbon cable, but I managed to take my time and replace all the wires. It may not look real great, but I did get all the wires soldered back in the proper locations. The machine is working. That's what I did to repair it. And here's a little video after the repair was done. Alright, so we got the coin box back in. Got my little cheater button there hooked up. And so now we're going to close up the machine here. That shaky video. Okay, so my machine is back together. I'm gonna go press my little cheater button. It's gonna give me some quarters to play with. I'm gonna turn my alarm off. So now let's see. Alright, and start. Now here's the, oh yes, okay, and we were a winner. How about that? And the stop buttons are now working. But you know what? I don't play any better. Nothing. Okay. Again, press my little cheater button and get some coins out. Take my key, turn off the alarm here, and you're ready to play. Yeah, want a free game? How about that? Okay. Nothing. Alright, the point is, the machine is working now. The buttons are working. We are golden. Awesome. And it pays out. Look at that. Okay. So a quick little video of the machine actually working now. And that is awesome. So if you were a help in getting this going, I really appreciate it, because it's working very well now.